want to talk to you about an old favourite, pound NOK. As you can see here, pound NOK has been ranging for quite some time, ever since 2016. We've broken out of this downward trend and we've just been kind of oscillating. And what we had closed this week is a bearish pin bar reversal, but it's a lot more than just a bearish pin bar reversal. If you look into it slightly more deeper, you've got a rejection of a key number, which is 11, and we have, of course, the completion of an ABCD formation and the bearish pin bar reversal near the top of this range here. I know we've got this point here, the breakout, and now this point here, but this could be the top or the right hand shoulder of a head and shoulders formation. And one thing else as well which you're going to like is the fact that we've got the completion of the 1.618 Fibonacci extension just here, representing the tip or the top of this tail. So just to recap, we've got the rejection of 11, which is a round number here, and we've got the rejection of the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. It's actually a Gartley. If you look at it, we take point X to A, we can see that this 1.618 overlaps just about with the 786 retracement. And typically when we get a free wave ABCD pattern, A, B, C, D, that is a point of reversal. And when we have that in the form of a price extremity, whether it's rejecting a round number and or near the top of a range, a well-established range. This range has been established for about a year and a half now. So we've got quite a few factors in support of this one. So for those people who like the look of it, what you could do to take advantage of simply buying the top of the range is simply place a sell order at the break of the low of last week, stop loss above the high, and trail it for every second seller bar above the high of every second seller bar, that is, or just leave it and scale out at a 1-to-1. So as soon as the trade, if it does trigger, makes the equivalent of a 1-to-1, i.e. you've made as much money as you risked. So if it's come down to around about this point, 1064, then you can buy back half the position, scale out half, so that you've got nothing to lose if price does come back, and you can target for either the midpoint and or go to the low of this. You can reasonably expect quite a bit of support at this level here, around about 10. It's a round number again, and we can see here that this enormous spike, this rejection of that level, with manifesting itself as the tail and the move upwards, we can reasonably say that this would be a good point to get out. Okay,